This is the world's first lamp where you can move the light in any direction to place it where you really need it. It is much more than just a pendant lamp. With 300 powerful LEDs, it can illuminate any part of your room in any brightness you want, and its colored uplight can create the perfect mood for any situation. With smart lamps from Luke Roberts, you get unlimited lighting possibilities by simply painting your light. Just take out your phone and start painting the light in the desired direction. The more light you paint, the brighter it gets. And you don't have to worry about the position of your phone, as the app rotates with your movements. The light painted on your phone is always aligned with your lamp. Simply paint and enjoy. You can save your personalized light scenes and switch between them with a simple swipe. The lamp uses different colored LEDs, so you can choose between warm and cool whites, warm light to relax, cool light for tasks such as reading because it helps you concentrate. When you leave the room, it turns itself off to save you money and the environment. When you enter the room, the lamp uses presence detection and smart algorithms to predict which light scene is best suited. Creating a new light scene is easy. Just pick a color and start painting your light. Once you are satisfied, save the setting as a new light scene. With the colored indirect light, you can create the perfect mood for any situation where you want a touch of color. But the lamp gives you much more than just beautiful mood lighting. It can easily illuminate even larger rooms. For example, if you are in a hurry and looking for your keys. Get the perfect light for any situation.
This is Aumi. Aumi is a smart rechargeable nightlight that you can control with your phone or tablet. It's the only smart nightlight that offers 16 million color options, precise light dimming, custom programmable timers, and a motion-activated sensor. Oh, did we mention it's portable? Aumi has a safe rechargeable battery that lasts up to 8 hours. Finally, a modern nightlight that looks great and offers functionality that you actually want. Aumi is way more than just a nightlight.
Nanoleaf was born from a desire to create cutting-edge sustainable products that light up our lives and bring unadulterated joy to the routine. Our newest innovation is a solar-powered product created to revolutionize natural lighting. We are excited to introduce Nanoleaf Light Panes. With exclusive SunSync technology, Nanoleaf light panes provide a hyper-realistic geolocated simulation of the sun's light in real time. Designed to be waterproof, wirelessly powered with user-controllable air cooling. Experience automated, seamless sunrises and sunsets with our groundbreaking LOYW architecture. Nanoleaf light panes support any custom installation with our signature modular design approach. Use an additional accessory, Nanoleaf curtain, to turn it on and off. Nanoleaf light panes.
Meet Glow from Casper, a magical light designed for better bedtime. It's light like you've never seen before, or felt before, or used before. Until now. Drifting off has never been dreamier. Introducing Glow, another bright idea.
Meet the new Hatch Restore. Designed by sleep experts and personalized for you. Restore combines soothing sleep sounds, a soft bedside light, and a sunrise alarm clock so you can get your best sleep naturally. When you're ready for bed, start your personal sleep routine and wind down in the way that works for you. So you can fall asleep, stay asleep, and wake up feeling restored. Because better nights make for better days. And better sleep makes for a better you. Hatch Restore, because we could all use better sleep.